tell us about how you're excited about the Web Summit, keeping in mind that you have about 50k people attending the event.
Well, part of this trip has been meeting the local tech community in all these 19 different cities so far, and we have another 11 to go.
Okay.
And I think what's been really humbling is just seeing how excited people are about it. Obviously we have a big following in Ireland, in the UK, and now in Portugal. But we're in places like Gothenburg and Riga, and just seeing how excited people were to come to the event, and they had all kind of very similar questions. How do we get the most out of it? How do we connect with the right people? And I just love that kind of energy and hustle, and even though it's going to be a 50,000 person event with loads of stuff going on, I think what we've really specialized in is creating targeted areas for you to whether you're a startup looking for advice, or investment, or you're a company looking to hire talent, or whatever the case may be. I think there's a little something there for everyone at the event.